Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 7, Keeping Healthy. So, all of you open textbook page number 38 with me and we will start reading. In this picture, we see that a man and a boy are doing exercise and Saina is asking them some question. So, let's see what question Saina is asking. So, here we see, what are you doing, Papa? We are doing yoga. It is very good for health and keep us fit. So here Sayana is asking to her dad that what are you doing? And her dad is answering that he is doing yoga and it is important for our health. It is good for our health and it helps us to be fit. We must take care of our body. To keep it healthy and strong, we should eat healthy food. Take proper rest. Remain clean and exercise daily. If you want a good body, if you want a healthy lifestyle, then you should follow good habits. You should eat healthy things. You should be strong. You should take proper rest. Remain clean and exercise daily. So, these are some of the important rules or steps we should follow to be healthy. For good health, follow good food habits to remain healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Children, I want to tell you what is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet which includes right amount of food from each food group. We get nutrition, minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates from that diet. It keeps us healthy and strong. That diet is called as a balanced diet. The next point is drink plenty of water. We should drink a lot of water. Our body needs water to digest food, to flush waste out of our body. So it is important that you should drink a lot of water during the day. Avoid eating junk food. We all like to eat samosas, pizzas, burgers, but they are not good for our health. You can eat them sometimes. They are called as junk food, but we should avoid eating such food. Do not overeat. We should not keep on eating all the time. We should have proper lunch, dinner, breakfast in the given time. We should not overeat the food. Now here, Saina wants to know how many glasses of water do you drink daily? So I drink 12 glasses of water, so I have written 12. How many times in a week do you eat junk food? I eat junk food almost 2 times, so I have written 2. Proper rest. Sleep for 8 hours every night. It gives rest to the body and make us fresh. Proper rest is very important for good health. Children, so sleeping is also very important. If we will not sleep, we will not have that energy to do the work. We should sleep for 8 hours every night. It gives rest to the body, our eyes, body, muscles, hands, leg, all the parts of our body are relaxed. So whenever we wake up from the sleep, we feel fresh. Proper rest is important for good health. So let's move ahead. Remain clean. It is important to remain clean. A clean body is a healthy body. Take a bath every day. So, how to remain clean? We should take a bath every day. Trim your nails weekly. Shampoo your hair regularly. Comb your hair to look neat. Oil your hair once a week. Wear clean and iron clothes. So this is how we can take proper care of our body. We should take a bath daily. Then we should trim our nails, means we should cut our nails because all the dirt and germs they are accumulated in our nails. So we should keep them short. We should cut the nails weekly. Shampoo your hair regularly. Use a shampoo while you are taking a bath. should comb your hair and keep it properly. You should oil your hair and wear clean and iron clothes. It gives a good and fresh feel to you. Now, fun time. Draw and color pictures of the things you use to keep clean. Write their names. So here first we use a soap to take bath. So I have drawn a picture of a soap and I have also written its spelling. Then we need a nail cutter to trim our nails. So I have drawn the picture of a nail cutter and written the spelling. We use oil to oil our hair. So draw the picture of a oil and write the spelling of a oil. You have to complete this on textbook page number 39. Now let's move ahead. Exercise daily to keep your mind and body active and healthy. So, children, we should exercise daily so that our mind and body can be healthy and active. So, what are the exercise that we should do? We should skip, do aerobics, meditate, dance, walk, jog, do yoga. If we will do all this exercise, our body will be active and healthy. Grandma says over here, playing any kind of sport regularly is a good way to exercise. If you don't like to exercise, if you don't like to do aerobics, you can play outdoor games. It will also help you to keep your body active and healthy. It is also a kind of exercise. So, children, this is all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye.